Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I'm going to do program number 20, Killing Time, from the book 101, Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, my favorite retro computer system. I'm going to read the program description, type the program into the Classic 99 emulator, which lets me emulate a TI-99 4A on a modern computer, run the program, see what we can learn from it, see what we can make it do, and then that's all for today, so to speak. Okay, 20, Killing Time. Sometimes it may seem to you as if the computer will never get to the result of a job. You understand the processing delay, but your non-computer friends may not. This could be confused by the wait. They could be confused by the wait and think the computer is, quote, broken. To keep their minds off the slowness, give them something to look at while the computer is, quote, thinking. Oh, the irony quotes, quote, thinking. The added extra lines, numbered 50, 60, 70, and 80, take up more processing time but make for less confusion. Computing may take a bit longer, but your fun will be increased. If you delete lines 50 through 80, you'll see how the program runs faster, but the blank screen is confusing. Okay, so we have just under a page worth of basic code to type in. Let's get into the Classic 99 emulator, get into TI Basic. 10 clears the screen, so 10 call clear. 20 input. Give me a number. I think we had a space, in quote, I'm going to call this N for number. Okay, 30 for L equals 1 to N. 40, x equals x plus L. X equals x plus L. 50 for t equals 1 to 100. T equals 1 to 100. 55, next t. 60, call clear. 70 for t equals 1 to 100. 75, next t. This is just a time delay loop. 80, print, I am thinking. I love the personification of the computer that you get in some of these early microcomputers. Okay, 90, next L. $100, call clear. $110 print, I have the answer now. $115 print, extra line. 120 print, the total of all numbers. $130 print. From 1 to, we got a space in there, yep, space, end quote, semicolon, and semicolon. Quote, space is space, end quote, colon, and X. 140 print. 150 print, 160 print, 170, x equals 0, okay, so this resets it, and 180 go to 20. Okay, let's clear the screen. We're going to list out the program, see if there are any obvious typos we made. Short little program, so it's fun and short. Okay. Run. Give me a number. 47. I am thinking, I am thinking, I am thinking. So basically it's just giving you a little display while the computer is processing. Of course this really slows down the, the answer exactly. Maybe I should have chosen a smaller number right off the bat. At last count, but I think it'll go up to 47 times, I think. I have the answer now. The total of all numbers from 1 to 47 is 1,128. Okay. Give me a number. I don't know, how about 17? I have the answer now. The total of all numbers from 1 to 17 is 153. Okay. Shall we do one more? Give me a number, my love.
The what?
Give me a number.
Like a high number? Does it?
It's a relatively low number.
24.
24, okay. Alright, give me a number, 24. So it's going to say, I am thinking 24 times, and give us the sum of all the numbers from 1 to 24. That's all this program does. But it's a cute little way to show that the program is thinking. But it makes the calculation take quite a bit longer. I have the answer now. The total of all numbers from 1 to 24 is 300.
Oh.
In case you were wondering.
I was. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, good. I saved you a few minutes. All right. You put away your calculator now.
Okay.
Put away your Texas Instruments calculator. Your Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer has done the job for you.
I love it.
Okay. Well, that is all this program, Killing Time, does. It's a cute little way to show that the program is doing something while it's calculating, as opposed to just showing a blank screen and letting people think the program is broken. Let's see, the program after this coming up is word error trapping. I don't remember what that is, but we'll find that out in the next video. If you are watching this live on Twitch, be sure to check out my YouTube channel for more TI-99 4A content. TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, a lot of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational content. And if you're watching this live on YouTube, be sure to check out my Twitch channel, CozyAzeroth, where you can catch me doing live streaming on all the above. And on both platforms, I'd appreciate it if you like and especially subscribe, because subscriptions really do help me out in these difficult times. Thank you very much. I'll be back soon with video number 21, which again was word error trapping, whatever that is. We'll find it out in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.